Did you know that the use of AI in healthcare can improve patient outcomes by up to 30% and reduce healthcare costs by up to 20%? This is because AI can help healthcare professionals diagnose diseases more accurately and quickly, personalize treatment plans, and streamline clinical workflows. However, many healthcare organizations are still hesitant to adopt AI due to concerns about data privacy, security, and the lack of skilled professionals to implement and maintain AI systems. In this video, we will explore the benefits and challenges of AI adoption in healthcare and provide a step-by-step guide on how to integrate AI in your healthcare practice. From medical diagnosis to patient engagement, we will cover the top AI tools and techniques that you need to know to stay ahead of the curve.
Let's dive deeper into the world of AI in healthcare. One of the most significant applications of AI in healthcare is medical diagnosis. AI algorithms can analyze medical images, lab results, and patient data to diagnose diseases more accurately and quickly than human doctors. For example, AI-powered computer vision can detect breast cancer from mammography images with an accuracy rate of up to 97%. Additionally, AI can help healthcare professionals identify high-risk patients and develop personalized treatment plans to prevent complications. We will discuss the top AI tools for medical diagnosis, including deep learning algorithms, natural language processing, and computer vision. We will also explore the potential risks and challenges associated with AI adoption in medical diagnosis, such as data bias and algorithmic errors.
Another area where AI is making a significant impact in healthcare is patient engagement. AI-powered chatbots and virtual assistants can help patients manage their health and wellness by providing personalized recommendations, reminders, and support. For example, AI-powered chatbots can help patients with chronic diseases such as diabetes and hypertension to manage their condition and adhere to treatment plans. Additionally, AI can help healthcare professionals develop personalized patient engagement strategies to improve patient outcomes and satisfaction. However, there are also concerns about the potential risks and challenges associated with AI adoption and patient engagement, such as data privacy and security. We will discuss the top AI tools for patient engagement, including chatbots, virtual assistants, and patient portals. We will also explore the potential risks and challenges associated with AI adoption and patient engagement and provide expert tips on how to overcome them.
Looking ahead to the future, the impact of AI on healthcare will be profound. AI will continue to improve patient outcomes, reduce healthcare costs, and enhance the overall quality of care. However, there are also concerns about the potential risks and challenges associated with AI adoption, such as job displacement and data bias. To mitigate these risks, healthcare organizations will need to develop strategies for AI governance, including data management, algorithmic transparency, and workforce development. We will discuss the future of AI in healthcare and provide expert predictions on the top trends and innovations that will shape the industry in the next 5 years. From AI-powered robots to personalized medicine, we will explore the exciting possibilities and challenges of AI in healthcare.
In conclusion, the use of AI in healthcare has the potential to revolutionize the industry by improving patient outcomes, reducing healthcare costs, and enhancing the overall quality of care. However, to realize this potential, healthcare organizations will need to develop strategies for AI adoption, including data management, algorithmic transparency, and workforce development. We hope that this video has provided you with a comprehensive guide on how to integrate AI in your healthcare practice. If you found this video informative and helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos on AI and healthcare. By subscribing to our channel, you will get access to exclusive content, including expert interviews, case studies, and tutorials on AI and healthcare. So what are you waiting for? Like and subscribe to our channel now and join the AI healthcare revolution.